Hello and welcome back to the activities series. Actually, we have started a activity series where we will learn English by recording ourselves. It's the first day of activity series and today in this video we are going to talk about a topic that is pollution. And before starting our topic, I would like to tell you something regarding beginner. Actually, in the beginning, everybody's are beginner and no one's know how to speak in English and how to face camera. So it's must be going to challenging for yourself to start recording is an every single day. But what will you do? You don't have any other options. And if you will take challenge right now and today, then you will able to learn this language in your upcoming time. So don't think too much about like what's gonna happen when you will face camera. Just pick your camera and start recording yourself. That's what I would like to tell to all of you, because if you will not face any kind of challenges today, then you are not going to get anything good in your life in your upcoming time. So it would be better for you to face this challenge and start recording yourself each and every single day so that you will be able to speak in this language. Yeah, before starting this video, I want to tell you these all things which I mentioned right before. And now let's move on our topic, that is pollution. So actually, everyone are just beginner who is just watching me right now here on this platform. So I would like to tell themselves how you can record. Now the topic is pollution, and I don't know anything about this topic also pollution, but I'm gonna tell you the exact way how you can start talking about any topic. How can you start speaking on any topic? So let's talk about advantage, then after disadvantage, and then after you can also talk about what is the good things about this topic. So first, advantage. Actually, pollution topic is no any kind of advantage. There is only disadvantage. It stands to nowadays on a global warnings and it's very dangerous. Nowadays you can see pollution emit from everywhere, like van and factories and from city. Everywhere is pollution and it's a very dangerous for the people. Nowadays you will see there is a lot of disease produced by just pollution, because pollution is very dangerous for human beings and we all have to stop this. Yeah, we will have to talk like this because I don't know also how to talk. I don't know also how to speak on this topic. So I'm just telling you as a beginner, and I just want to encourage you. Like, I don't know anything about this topic, and if still I can say something, I don't say that say tricky words and advanced word about pollution and just to impress someone you will have to use tricky words over here. Not at all. Just use simple words that's coming in your mind right now. Like, pollution is very dangerous. We all have to stop producing more pollution in our society. You can talk like this way, then you will able to speak on this topic. And actually, like, what's the problem? This is the problem. People usually say themselves like, why not to start with perfection? But I want to tell those all people it's not a right way to start anything else in your life. Everybody just started with wrong things. A lot of wrong words maybe I'm using right now, and you will also use too. I'm not saying that use advanced word, perfect words all the time so that people will impressed by yourself. Not at all. We don't need to impress other. We just have to learn this language by ourselves, and for that we will have to put efforts each and every single day. and then we will able to learn this language. And a lot of people saying, I'm not prepared about this topic, I don't know anything about this, how I gonna speak on this topic. So I want to tell those people, you just don't need to be perfect. I'm just saying this again and again because I observe in my life, to speak on any topic, it's not like if you know the advanced word about that topic, so you will able to speak on that. No, there is no need. If you don't even know some of the time the English sentences and English word of that topics, then you can also use over there Hindi words. Why not to speak Hindi and English together? Because you will have to develop a habit of speaking, and to develop as a habit of speaking, it's okay to use Hindi words between the sentences. Because when I have started my English speaking journey, I have also make so many mistake. I have also used so many Hindi words while I'm just talking to the people in English. And that's what I'm just saying to do to get improvements in this language. A lot of you might be thinking right now, oh my god, this person is saying absolutely right. And there would be someone who is thinking, I'm gonna take a step towards this to enhance my English speaking journey. But somehow you will feel, no, I'm not gonna start it because I'm not perfect. This perfection comes between the road, and that's you will have to pull it out, and you will have to start your journey from now. And this was the first day of activity series where we will learn English by just recording ourselves. And in this series, we will have to talk on a topic each and every single day, and that's what I did in this video. I have talked about something on pollution. I don't have much idea about this topic, but I want to show you that how you can also start your journey, because I'm not also perfect and still I'm trying to speak on that. As you can see that what I have to speak on that topic and what you will have to speak, so you can take motivation from here that a person don't know anything about this topic, and you can also be the perfect, and that's what you will have to do. So why not to try? And this was the first video, and I hope that I will make another videos and you will watch it. You will be also the part of this activity series where you will also learn, you will also develop yourself as a English speaker. And I really appreciate to all of you to taking a small step towards your English speaking journey, and at least you are trying to make yourself perfect in this language. Thank you very much for watching this video up to the last. I hope we will meet again.